Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're diving into something that's a lifesaver for anyone who's accidentally deleted their passwords in Google Chrome on their mobile device. With the latest updates in 2025, recovering those passwords is easier than ever, but it does require a few smart steps. Whether you're on Android or iOS, as long as you're using Chrome, this guide will get you sorted quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're signed in to your Google account on Chrome. This is crucial because Chrome syncs your data across devices. Open the Chrome app on your mobile, tap the three dots in the top right corner for the menu, and select Settings. Now, scroll down to Passwords, or Autofill and Passwords, depending on your device and Chrome version. Once you're in the Passwords section, you'll see a list of saved passwords. But wait, if you've deleted one, don't panic. Head over to your Google account settings. You can do this by going to the Google app or visiting accounts.google.com on your mobile browser. Sign in, then navigate to the Security tab and look for Password Manager. Here, you might find recently deleted passwords in a Recently Deleted or Trash folder. Google often keeps them there for a short period, like 30 days. If that doesn't work, try syncing your devices. Go back to Chrome settings, tap Sync in Google Services, and ensure everything is turned on, especially passwords. Sometimes, a deleted password on one device hasn't been removed from the cloud yet. Pro tip: if you're using a password manager app like Google Password Manager, check there too. It might have a backup. Alright, let's wrap this up. Once you've recovered your password, make sure to update it if needed and enable two-factor authentication for better security. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.